Hello, this is Mike, NoStressMike.com. And I believe this is the first day of the rainy season. Uh, it's wet. Um, I can't really say it's really rain, but I mean, rain type wet, but there is a little bit of wetness. And so, and it's cloudy, dark. It's 7 in the morning, and which the sun should be shining inside here. Yeah, let's see. Yeah, my kitchen, my dining room, and there's the back. You can see the rain. There's little droplets. And you can see the rain. Or this is the gathering of the rain. And I don't know if this is uh, the rain because it is a tropical climate, but I don't really know for sure what that involves. But anyway, that's it. I had to roll up my carpet. And see, this is going to be open all the time, so it's really weird. And but I'm going to put something over there, close both sides. But we'll see. And oh, the bathroom is ready to go. Here's my extra bedroom. And those are places to hang the hammock. I've got them in my room too. So I guess hammock is a big thing. And I don't know to keep it open or closed or what. It's 73 degrees and it's going to be a high of 101 today. So the rain hasn't really affected the temperature. So, but here's my room. And you see they've got things on the walls for the hammock. And it's laundry day. My laundry's full. So I gotta take it in. That's the first thing. And but anyway, This looks like a bad idea. It feels like there's a little more humidity. I have spent a lot of money. Well, in the terms that these people understand, I have spent a lot of money. My first month in the house, so I spent money on that and furnishing it, and last month rent. It's pretty much I have spent money, and so now this is the last week of April, and I'm done spending. That's it. And so I'll kind of go with the flow. Hey, there, now you can see where the rain is. See the rain. And I still got cleaning up here. I still got things to do. And really, I should be doing it now. Now's probably about the coolest and the nicest it is for the day. But we'll see. And I got trash out. And there's still people. Got some traffic, early enough that there's some traffic. There's... Hola! So, but it is. And so we'll be fixing this up. Alrighty. Okay. Might have a customer. So this is Mike, NoStressMike.com.